Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to the channel. For anyone new, hello, I'm Dr. Alexis. I'm a board certified dermatologist practicing in South Florida. And in today's video, we're going to break down the top skincare lies that I need you to stop believing. There is so much misinformation out there about skincare and skin health and wellness. So today we're going to break down the top biggest myths that are just not true. Starting with just drink more water. Drinking water will clear your skin. My friends, drinking water will not solve all of your skincare woes. Drinking water is extremely important for your overall health. It helps with your energy, it helps with digestion, it helps with weight loss. But guess where the last place to get water is? Your skin. All of the other organs are deemed more important than your skin, and therefore all of the other organs will get water before your skin does. So drinking water isn't going to solve all of your skincare woes. A good skincare routine and practicing a healthy lifestyle that incorporates drinking water will pay way more dividends than you trying to do some gallon water challenge for your skin. Myth number 2, the more expensive the product is, the better it will actually work. This is not true, my friends. Price does not automatically equal more effective, higher quality ingredients. A lot of times you're paying for the package, you're paying for the marketing, or you're paying for the celebrity that's endorsing the product. So I don't want you to just base things off of the price tag. I want you to base them off of the science and the effectiveness of the actual ingredients. Oftentimes that $300 product is the exact same as the $12 product that you can find in the drugstore, especially if they have the same parent company. Now, sometimes you do need to pay a higher price tag for certain products, but that is usually because these products are patented or the sourcing of the ingredient is very difficult to use, manufacture, and formulate. And because of that, that product is more expensive. But the price tag needs to make sense, guys. Make sure that you do your homework. Myth number 3 surrounds marketing claims. Things like shrinks pores or clean beauty, which is a whole nother story. So shrink pores, my friends. You cannot shrink your pores. You cannot change the actual size of your pores by just putting on a topical product. You can minimize the appearance of your pores. In fact, I have an entire video on how to do so. But you can't actually shrink the pores by just putting on something topically. So if you see a product that says shrink pores, I want you to say, this is automatic marketing scam. It's not true. Another huge marketing game right now is natural is better. Natural is not better, guys. Think about poison ivy. Poison ivy is natural. It's not a good thing to put poison ivy on your skin. So I don't want you to believe the hype. Natural is often not better. So please, please don't fall for this marketing claim. This brings us to number 4, which is that you need a toner. My friend, you don't need a toner. Toners are completely unnecessary. Modern day cleansers are pH balanced to be skin friendly. And if your cleanser is not effective enough at removing the dirt, oil, bacteria, and grime from off your skin, it just means you need a better cleanser, not that you have to grab a toner.
This next one you guys have heard me debunk 1 million times, but it is that those with darker skin tones don't need sunscreen. Those with darker skin tones are still susceptible to skin cancer, hyperpigmentation, and visible signs of aging, all things that come from sun exposure. So of course we need sunscreen too.
And the last one is that you need a 7 to 10 step routine for the perfect skin. My friends, when it comes to skincare, less is more. You don't need all of these different steps in your skincare routine in order to achieve perfect skin. What you really need is to learn how to read your skin so that you know what products you actually need, what you are benefiting from, and when you need to make a change. I have an entire video on how to do so, linked above. Basically, you need a cleanser. You need a treatment product, so some type of serum that's actually geared towards what you're dealing with, followed by a moisturizer, and then if it's daytime, a sunscreen. That's it. My personal skincare routine is so simple that people don't believe that it's all that I use. One of these days, I will actually do a video on my skincare routine if you guys want. So again, cleanse, treatment product only if you need to, like if you have acne or if you have pigmentation. Moisturize, and then daytime sunscreen. That's it. Less is more. And I know that the companies want you to believe that you need all of these products. And then they help you by teaching you how to layer all of their products. The more you are confused about what to layer, that should be your first indication that you're using too many products. Anyway, guys, I hope that this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are not. Until next time, be well.